How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do remove blackheads, step-by-step guide for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So how to get rid of blackheads? The reason why you guys get blackheads is because your pores are clogged. They can be clogged with dead skin cells, excessive oil, or bacteria. One or all three of these, or two of these three things, will cause you to get blackheads. You can also get ingrown hair, razor bumps, acne, so many different things. All you have to do to remove blackheads and to never get them ever again is to simply wash your face with warm soapy water for 60 seconds, once in the morning, once before going to bed. Once they're completely gone, then you only really have to do it once at night. What this does is the warm water, not hot water, just warm water, lukewarm water. The warm water will help to open up the pores, and then the soap actually helps because soap gets rid of bacteria, will get rid of all the bacteria, the dead skin cells, and the oil that has plugged up the pores for the whole entire day. Then you go to bed, your pores will be completely open, and you won't get blackheads. I've been doing this for the last 6-7 years, and if you look, I don't have blackheads. I used to have a ton, like my whole nose was covered in blackheads, but I don't have them anymore because I use warm soapy water. And literally soap is like, literally warm soapy water will get rid of like almost any skin condition, because most skin conditions happen because of the pores becoming blocked. And you can buy all these fancy creams, but most of them do the exact same thing. They just help to open up the pores. That's all you're doing here, you guys. So that's what I recommend to do. End the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.